Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change or remove the mail signature sent from my iPhone on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on mail. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and in the composing section, tap on signature. Then here you can choose to apply the change per account or for the all accounts. Now go down to sent from my iPhone text box, and from here you can erase it by tapping on the back space key. And here you can then change it. And then tap on return or done, tap on the back key, and that will save the changes. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.